Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with PayPal Working Capital Review My Usage Experience. PayPal Working Capital Review My Usage Experience offers short-term loans to eligible PayPal business users. Its main purpose is to provide quick access to funds to help manage cash flow and cover unexpected expenses. The target audience is small business owners who use PayPal for transactions. Key features likely include application submission through the PayPal platform and repayment tied to future sales. Their website provides details on eligibility requirements and the application process. The benefit is rapid access to capital, potentially avoiding traditional bank loan processes. PayPal likely emphasizes ease of use given its integration with their existing platform. Pricing transparency is likely a selling point, although specific details vary depending on approval and creditworthiness. Availability is determined by PayPal's eligibility criteria. You can check your eligibility by logging into your PayPal business account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using PayPal Working Capital Review My Usage Experience. I needed a quick injection of cash to cover some unexpected inventory costs for my online store. Getting started was incredibly easy. The application process was entirely within my existing PayPal account, and it only took about 15 minutes to fill out the necessary information. The interface was intuitive. I simply had to answer a few questions about my business and sales history. The whole process felt seamless. I received an offer within 24 hours, and the funds were transferred into my account the next business day. The repayment process was also straightforward. A percentage of my future PayPal sales automatically went towards the loan repayment. I was really impressed by how quickly I could get the funds. One minor drawback was the relatively high interest rate compared to some traditional loans. However, the speed and convenience were worth it in my situation. I had a quick question about the repayment schedule and their support responded within a day via email. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with PayPal Working Capital. It helped me navigate a difficult financial situation quickly and efficiently, allowing me to maintain operations without significant disruption. That's my overview of PayPal Working Capital Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.